Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by selecting high-protein legumes and seeds. Use 1 cup each of peas, chickpeas, and lentils for balanced amino acids and about 60 grams protein per cup. Add 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds and 2 tablespoons chia seeds for extra protein, omega-3s, and texture. Rinse and thoroughly dry each ingredient, then spread on baking sheets and dry roast at 325 degrees F for 12 minutes to remove moisture. Deactivate enzymes and improve flavor. Cool completely before grinding to prevent clumping and spoilage. Transfer the cooled, roasted ingredients to a high-speed blender or grain mill and grind in 30-second bursts, tapping the hopper to prevent packing. Pause when the texture resembles fine flour, then pass the powder through a 60-mesh sieve and regrind any coarse particles twice to reach a consistent mouthfeel. To improve solubility, combine 500 grams of powder with 1 tablespoon neutral oil and 1/2 teaspoon lecithin, mixing until evenly distributed. This reduces dust and helps the powder hydrate smoothly in liquids. Enhance nutritional profile by fortifying 1 batch. Add 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast and 1 teaspoon vitamin C powder per 500 grams, plus a pinch of salt for flavor. This boosts B vitamins and preserves color. Store finished powder in airtight jars with a desiccant pack, keeping humidity below 50% and temperature under 68 degrees F to prevent clumping and rancidity. For use, measure 1 scoop of about 30 grams per shake to provide roughly 18 to 22 grams protein depending on your blend, and mix with 250.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.